guide you through how to create an invoice in FreshBooks. So first, log into your FreshBooks account and open the Invoices section from the main dashboard. Click Create an Invoice to start a new invoice. Select your client or add a new client if they are not listed yet. Next, enter the invoice's details including the invoice number, issue date, and payment due date. Under Items, add the products or services you are billing for, then enter the quantity, rate, and applicable taxes. Review the subtotal and total amount to make sure everything is correct. You can also add a personalized message or payment terms for your client. Once all the information is complete, check the invoice preview for any errors, and finally, click Send to email the invoice directly to your client and save it as draft if you want to send it later.